but we begin with that on-again, off-again merger of Sprint and T-Mobile, which now appears to be very much on. After years of intense regulatory scrutiny, the Justice Department today approved the $26 billion deal, which brings together the nation's third and fourth largest wireless providers. That news sent shares of both companies higher today, even though the approval comes with conditions. Ylan Mui reports for us tonight from Washington.
The Department of Justice giving the green light to the $26 billion merger between T-Mobile and Sprint, but forcing the companies to sell some assets as part of this deal. Under the agreement, Sprint will have to sell its prepaid business to Dish and divest spectrum to Dish. Also, the companies would have to make at least 20,000 cell sites and hundreds of retail stores available to Dish. Dish would also have access to T-Mobile's network for 7 years. Assistant Attorney General Macon Delrahim said that without this remedy, the merger would substantially harm competition. And this settlement sets up Dish as a disruptive force in wireless. This agreement has gotten buy-in from 5 state attorney generals, including Nebraska, Kansas, Ohio, Oklahoma, and South Dakota. Still, the merger is facing pushback from a separate group of state AGs. 13 states and the District of Columbia have filed an ongoing lawsuit to block this merger.
I'm really hoping that this doesn't turn into a political fight, that state attorney generals are able to evaluate this deal on how good this is going to be for their state, how good it's going to be for their constituents.
And it's important to know that the merger cannot be finalized until that case is resolved. Currently, a trial date is scheduled for October 7th, but that could get delayed. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Ylan Mui in Washington.